Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL earbuds with your iPhone. First of all, open the charging case and remove both earbuds. Now rotate them like that and take a look for these indicators on the right and the left one. As you can see, it is blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So you have to just put it right here, go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on, and from other devices list, select your JBL Live Pro 2. We are successfully connected, and you can also get the application. So we have to go to the App Store, tap on the search tool, and type JBL headphones. We have to get this application. And as you can see, we can find these earbuds in the application, and we can use other things, like equalizer and other stuff. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.